Hello everybody, welcome to Project Big Ivory 2. It's an Emerson Electric Type 77648 AO 16-inch oscillating fan. It was manufactured in 1948 according to its data plate and is finished in the original Wrinkle Ivory paint. Now I'm introducing this as a project because it's going to need some work before it will be fully functional. Right now it doesn't run. However, the seller did show pictures of it running and stated that it ran smoothly. It also needs to be cleaned thoroughly, which will require a gentle touch because the ivory Emersons are known to have a delicate paint, and I need to service the mechanisms. So with fresh wiring and a capacitor, this should be a really great runner. Now we'll explore the restoration and repairs in upcoming videos, so you will all get to see that when we get to this project. Nonetheless, this fan appears to be in great cosmetic shape under the grime, so let's take a look at it in its current before condition. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this vintage Emerson. Thank you for watching, and we will have more to come, so please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.